Hi guys, this is Marley and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be harvesting my fall planted garlic. I planted this garlic last November and earlier this year, it grew some scapes that I already cut off, and then you will know that your garlic is ready for harvest if the bottom 3 leaves have died off. Oh, this is a big one. Let's try this side here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. I noticed that when the stalk is small, the head is also small, but with a bigger stalk like this, the head is also big. Let's continue harvesting. So I have to move the mulch over to the side so it'll be easier for me to cool the plant. This is a little bit tough because of the clay soil. It's not bad. So far, I have this. Okay. Oh, this is probably the biggest one that I got so far. Oh, wow. Another good harvest over. Let me show you this weird thing here. So this is one stalk, but it divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 different plants. So I don't even know what to expect from this plant. Will I get 4 heads? Or will I get 1? Or will I get none? Let's see. I'm excited to see what I can get from this garlic plant that split into 4 different plants. Okay, stop. Whoa! What's going on in here? Oh my gosh! This is something. It's my first time to see this. I don't even know what happened. Look at that. So this actually came from one head that separated, and each of the cloves started growing, and so the little cloves are starting to make a head because there are smaller cloves inside the cloves. Okay, all right, well, there's always something new in the garden. This one has started separating too. I waited too long to harvest this. As you can see, it has died already. Got it? Oh, another big one, guys. Okay, wow. I just realized that I missed one of the scapes. I didn't get to remove the scape, and look at that. So when the scapes mature, they look like small garlic cloves. I wonder if you can eat this. If you guys have any idea on whether the mature garlic scapes are edible or not, please comment down below. So let's see what's going on with the garlic head if the scapes are not removed. Oh, okay. It's small. And look at that. And also, see that? A couple of cloves have started growing as well. Okay, and yeah. Oops, I dropped one of the cloves. But anyway, it was one right here, and then this one has started to rot as well. This fall garlic did not disappoint me. Look how big the heads are. Except for a few of them that are on the smaller side. This is actually one of the best garlic harvests that I've had so far. And to think that this garlic cloves came from the grocery store, that's really one amazing thing. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!